Today we are here, we have to discuss a small case study on solar energy tracking system using design thinking approach. Okay. So in the last lecture series we have discussed about the role of mechanical engineers, and then we have discussed about what is mechatronic systems, and we have seen what are the modules in the mechatronic systems. So based on this we are going to have a small case study discussion using DT approach. Okay. Let us continue. Okay.
So I would like to encompass my views on the role of mechanical engineers in today's society. So if you take today's society, most of the people are studying mechanical engineering, and in various aspects of the society, mechanical engineers are the ones who basically run the society. So previous times mechanical engineers used to excel in only their own disciplines, but nowadays due to the introduction of mechatronics in today's curriculum, people have also started to excel in other disciplines such as communication engineering, electronics engineering, and even mechatronics. So mechanical engineers have a very vital role in today's society.
Myself, Mohammad Adil. I am here to talk about the introduction of mechatronics engineering. Mechatronics engineering is based on fully mechanical. It is a combination of mechanical and electronics and some computer application. In day-to-day life, mechatronics plays a vital role in every industries and factories in many ways. So the need of mechatronics is must in everyone's career.
I am Karthik. I am here to discuss about the model which I designed like solar tracking system. It is used to means in using mechatronics and mechanical course, and it is depend on a DT project. It will be discussed by Hari.
Myself Hari Vishnu. This case study is about the solar tracking system and based on DT. So there are 5 topics. They are empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. And empathy will be taken by Hamsavan.
Myself Hamsavarthan. In our day-to-day life, moreover, everybody are now started using solar system. But in some cases, the solar system or solar panel only track the direct sun rays, but not 24 hours the sun rays will be in same direction. So that is our empathy part. In order to achieve our efficiency in energy resources, we designed a new project that will be explained by Darshan.
Hi, I am Darshan. I am going to explain about the define of our project. So, for example,
so your Darshan is coming to about your empathy. What from your views, what you are telling is, so as a mechanical engineer, your role is to have some advanced technologies to the society and to the environment. Okay. So you are playing a vital role in energy, and you are going to build a case study on this solar energy tracking system by using a DT approach. Okay. So as you said that, what your Hamsavarthan said that, what is the empathy part is, so the existing solar systems are not fetching the energy throughout the day. Okay, this is your empathy part. Okay. Okay. And also from my point of view, I want to add that the existing fossil fuels are which is used for producing the energy will be depleted soon. Okay, we can't get till our lifetime. So definitely we have to go for switch over for alternative energy sources. What you have chosen as the solar energy is a good alternative energy source which is eco-friendly and gives what is it, green energy. Okay, it does not have any emissions. Okay. Now coming to your defined part, Darshan can carry with your defined part.
so our part is, for example, if solar panel is placed in heads towards to the east, so if the sun is behind the west, so the solar panels cannot harvest the power using that system. So we have introduced that 180-degree rotating system, so that we can track the sun and rotate wherever it want to be harvested. So that we have placed a small prototype in front of us.
Okay. So what you are telling is what is your empathy part is you want to fetch the solar energy. If this tracking system is fixed in a single position, only the amount of energy fetched is will be low. So what you have made is you have made a 180-degree rotation of an solar tracking system. Okay. So what are the components? How it is taking place? What is the working? So
East.
So we are using a solar panel there.
Ah.
We are using a heat motion tracking sensor in these places. We are using two motion sensors in these places, which is connected to the microcontroller known as
Ashish, please zoom
RC.
here, not to overall. Zoom this components. Come here and zoom it.
It's connected to a LED display which shows that what the process is going on there.
Okay.
So we are using a light. If the light is on the north part, the tracking sensor would track that and
Okay, can you move the light?
Just use one light.
light off. So there is a light disturbance.
Okay. Oh, since it is moving.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you are telling that when the light energy is where it is more, that solar system is tracking and it is moving to 180 degree. Okay, very good. So you are using your sensors to rotate this motor with the help of sensors.
And
Okay.
by this model, it is useful for the society and it is useful for the environment also.
Yes, very good. We can implement this in our domestic purpose and everywhere.
We have used this model with the mechatronics plan, but you can ask why can't we with mechanical? We can use motors to run this product, but we need a man who need to work for 24 hours. So we use some sensors and with the mechatronics ideas, we have used some sensors for this project.
So by using the mechatronics ideology, we can reduce the manpower and employ sensors in the place of man, so that the human doesn't have to work 24 hours to turn the direction of the solar panel.
Okay, very good. What you are concluding is that if manually the human labors which are used is eradicated with the help of this automation. Okay, and also more amount of energy is fetched. Okay, thank you for your introduction. You can close some.
So I would like to conclude that by the not only using mechanical can help in people, but also using the mechatronical ideologies can help in more innovation and helps us to maximize our effectiveness. So I would like to conclude by saying we have to excel in all, and we have to reduce the usage of fossil fuels. That is the main core of this project. So by using the solar energy, green power, we can reduce the fossil fuels and be more efficient in the society. Thank you.
Thank you.